Hey, what's up? Picking up where we left off in the last lesson, today we'll see how to correct that little problem we got when we tried to set wide and full alignment for the video blocks. As you remember, our video that was supposed to span the entire width of the screen simply can't do that. To solve this, we'll need some additional work. This idea was taken from a theme that is already available in the WordPress repository, one of the few Gutenberg ready themes there. The theme is called Atomic Blocks, this one here, and they solve the video problem using a very simple solution called fit widths. For us to implement this solution is indeed very easy. First, let's go to the website of the project. That's fitwidths.js.com. Click here to download. And all I need from here is a copy of this file, jquery.fitwidths.js. To speed things up, I'm gonna copy all this code here. Create a new folder inside our Learn WP directory. Create a new file inside this JS folder of our theme. I'm gonna save it with whatever name I want, for example, fitwidths.js. Of course, it needs to have the JS extension. Now we have only two important things to do. First, let's enqueue this new file. Let's take advantage of this function that we already have here in the functions.php file. And once again call the WP enqueue script function inside of it. The first parameter, the file handle. We pass it as an identifier for the file. We then type the path to the file using first this getTemplate directory URI function, and concatenate it with the folder and the file. Don't forget this training slash before the name of the folder or the file, okay? The third parameter is important because we need to pass jQuery as a dependency to this file here. Fortunately, WordPress already comes with jQuery, as you know, so we just pass an array setting jQuery as the value. For the version, I won't pass anything, just type here no. And I'm gonna tell WordPress that I want the link with the script at the bottom of the page. Very simple, just add true here as the last parameter. If you're not one of my students yet, you need to know that in the complete course, I teach in details how to enqueue CSS files and scripts, right? I'm just skipping some of the explanations to save time. And now, the second thing you need to do is to call the script. Let's go back to the GitHub page. And we're gonna copy this code snippet here only. Now it's up to you where you want to use it. You can do the same thing I did here and paste this code inside a separate file, or paste it right here in our footer.php file. This is what I'm going to do. Let's open up the footer.php file here, and right at the end, before the button closing tag, I'm gonna paste the code that we just copied. But I only need to make some changes here. First, I'm gonna use an alternative syntax for the document ready portion. If I leave that way, it will conflict with WordPress. So I'm gonna replace the alias with jQuery and move the alias inside the parentheses of the anonymous function. Another thing I need to do is to define which element will be the target for the script. Let's go back to the front end. Inspect the video element. And we got these classes here. I suggest we use this is-type video class because it will always be present regardless of what kind of media you have here. It will work for a YouTube video, Vimeo, Dailymotion, etc. Let's pass the class here then. Save. And we want to reload the front page to see if it works. And look, now the video has the right size, look. Much better now. I'm gonna test directly here passing the align white class. And it's working too. Look, the result is very, very good. So it's working, and I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please subscribe, tell everyone about these cool video tutorials, as I always try to bring new subjects here for you about WordPress themes. So stay tuned, and I wait for you then in the next lesson. Bye!